Hi guys, this will be the trade recap for today. It's Wednesday, and before I begin with this trade recap and we hop into TradingView and NinjaTrader, I just wanted to mention when I posted my last trade recap, I said that it's a losing day for me and that I'm down $350, I think, for the day. After that, after I posted the trade recap, I actually took one more trade that was a winning one, and I made around $915. Um, so I ended up being green on the day for around, I don't know, 600 something. Um, yeah, so that's just a thing, so you won't get confused when I'm talking about some profits from today or another day. So I know I might not explain it well enough, so I'll put my P&L calendar. Today it's Wednesday and I took one trade. It was a winning one. I made around $740. So currently we are about 745 something dollars up on the eval. Um, 2,300 left to pass and get funded. So we are on a good way. We exited drawdown in only two trades. The reason why I haven't made a trade recap from Monday and Tuesday, I did not take anything. On Tuesday, I actually missed out on a few pretty good trades, but Monday wasn't a great trading day for me, and I'm glad I didn't trade. But enough of this, and let's get to the chart, and I'll show you my trade from today. This is the trade that I took today. Um, First thing I did when I came to my charts was to mark out the volume profile from the midnight to 16 o'clock Prague time. Sorry, to 16 o'clock Prague time. When we completely disregarded that, after 16 o'clock, I marked out the zone from 15:30 to 16:30. That's because it's the hour with the most volume out of any hour of the day. So it is very much important and can be traded very well. Also, I marked out the daily VWAP with one standard deviation band. All right, here and here. I do not trade those as much anymore because I find the deviation bands being disrespected very often, and even the POC of the VWAP. But it is still just a confluence to have in mind. But let's just have a closer look on the trade. The only like mistake for me was closing early. Right here, I saw kind of an absorption, and I got scared, and I closed early. My take profit was on $1,000, but I closed early. I will not beat myself up for that very much, but I still like got out, and I could have gotten like $260 dollars more in this area, but I just targeted a 3-to-1 ratio. I didn't have any specific target in my mind. I didn't think we were able to reach these highs here. I didn't think we were able to do that. So I did not target this. I saw some people on TikTok targeting them. I just didn't think we were able to do that in the time period I wanted to trade. So um, yeah, I just strictly targeted 3-to-1 ratio with a pretty tight stop loss just on this body, because if I did it with my normal stop loss, it would be huge. It would be like basically 1-to-1. So I risked this. Um, I took it, I think, with 2 units of ES. I was risking around $300 for this trade, targeting about 1,000. This tool is messed up. I am very sure I was targeting 1,000, so more, that was higher. But I wasn't satisfied with how the trade was going. I wanted it to hit early. I wanted it to hit in a short period of time, which did not happen. We consolidated a lot, but I still had trust in my trade. I didn't go break even. I said to myself, I might go break even when a body closes above this, which it did not, and I'm very happy I didn't, because this would have been a break even trade if I just did it with the wick. But yeah, so this is it. The objective was the retest of the 1530 to 1630 volume profile, the value area. We rejected those prices, came down, rejected them again, and that was my trade. It was pretty fast, so that's like textbook speed. We also tested the standard deviation band, so that only made me more confident in my idea. And that's just basically it. Tight stop loss and a 3 to 1 trade. I'll just hop over to NinjaTrader and show you the absorption and the trade that I basically took on NinjaTrader. Alright, let's go. This is the trade. I'll just de-stretch it a little. Um, the only thing that made me less confident in this trade, that we left an unfinished auction here, but with the delta shift being so huge, tapping here, leaving 1 2 3 0 prints, here having a buyer imbalance that is marked out by the blue color, um, leaving like the delta slowing down from negative 600. Also, this is the delta change. um, I added it to my trading. Also, I added the bar countdown because it's not standardly in NinjaTrader, and I added a bar for current price. This is it. Sorry, I'll just do this. Yeah. This is also not standardly in NinjaTrader, like the price moving, and I did not like that, so I added that as an indicator. I'll just, yeah. Um, but that is not the point. I saw the delta slowing down, from the delta change, minus 600, negative 600 to negative 1211. All right, that's the first sign of price slowing down from this downtrend. Then having a massive delta flip, from negative 840 to 355, also getting this, the big delta change of around, well, you can just do the math in your head, but it is easier like this. So I saw this, I saw the zero print, I saw the buyer imbalances. um, right here, I saw the delta change, and when I saw this, I just wanted it to put in a zero print on this imbalance. When it did, and I saw the delta change, I went in right here. Um, when we flipped back into the positive delta, I was pretty confident in it, and we continued up, kind of, you know, consolidating for a bit, and then um, maybe I just didn't notice. I wanted to show you my exit. Um, yeah, here. When I saw this, here, put in a zero print, then the delta flip. We actually, like, at the end of the candle, pretty much like retraced a bit, so I wouldn't have closed if I waited for the end of the candle, but I still closed because of this delta flip, this zero print that we put in. Um, it was also at the highs, at the one high, and I just got scared. That is completely my mistake. I should have been more confident in my analysis. But this is the thing I got scared on the most, and that's why I exited. Still a good profit, but it is a mistake. I could have gotten way more. I could have gotten at least 900 before exiting, because the 1,000 got hit later. But yeah, So that's it for today. I hope I explained the absorption well enough. You see zero print, delta flip, a huge delta change coming with the delta flip, then aggression again. That's a sign for me to enter, and that's basically just my entry. Um, Alright, that's all I wanted to show you. Guys, so this is it for today's trade recap. I hope you understand it. You understand all of it. I will post my footprint settings in the Discord server in case anybody wants it. If anybody is watching this from YouTube, just just comment like I want your Discord. I will send you the link and you can join. Don't worry, anything. I don't require any payments or anything. I'm not good enough for that. It's just a very small community of few guys trading, just trying to be better, doing our trade recaps. Yeah, just putting in the work, communicating, and showing up, because that is basically the point of trading, showing up again and again. So I'm very happy for this trade. I will post my footprint settings, and if you want to look at the trade that I took on Friday, the one that I exited and clutched the drawdown with, it is posted on Discord. I will not do another trade recap for Friday. But that is just the reason Friday is a losing trade in the trade recaps on YouTube. Alright, I took a trade later on in the day after I made the trade recap and posted it. So that's it. If you watched up until this point, I am very grateful and thank you for watching, and see you guys hopefully with another winning days. Thank you, bye.